Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install Windows on an SSD or hard drive without using USB or pen drive. This method is very useful if you don't have a pen drive or if you want to prepare Windows for a client's computer. Many computer shops use this same trick. So if you want to learn this easy and professional method, watch this video till the end. So let's get started. Before starting the process, please make sure your SSD or hard drive is attached to your system where you want to install Windows. As you can see on my screen, I am using a 250 GB SSD for this demo. And if I open this PC, you can see this E drive is my SSD drive where I will install fresh Windows 11. So first you need to open any browser on your PC and search for Windows 11 download, and make sure you open the official Microsoft website. Next, scroll down and until you see download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Click on the drop down menu and select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO. Then click on confirm. Now choose your product language. After that, click confirm again. Next, click on 64-bit download. And the download will start. The file size is around 7.2 GB, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is finished, go to your download folder and keep the file ready on your computer. Now again you need to open Google Chrome, and this time you need to search for Hasleo WinToHDD. Open the first official website from the search result. Here you will see WinToHDD version 6.9. which allow you to install or deinstall Windows without using any CD, DVD or USB drive. Now simply click on the download button. This is a free version and don't worry, it's more than enough for this method. The file size is very small, so it will download very quickly. Once the download is complete, install the software normally just like any other program. After installation, you need to open WinToHDD and you will see this screen. Now click on New Installation. You will be asked to select the Windows image files here. So click on the Browse button and locate your Windows ISO file. Select it and click on Open. After that, the software will show you all the available Windows edition inside the ISO, like Home, Education and Pro. In the free version, you may not be able to install Windows Pro. It mostly supports only the Home edition. So choose the Windows version you want to install and click on Next. Now comes the most important step. Here you need to select the correct hard drive or SSD where Windows will be installed. And immediately the tool will ask you to select the partition scheme. If you are installing Windows on an older system with legacy BIOS like me, you need to choose MBR. If the target computer supports UEFI, choose GPT. Then click Yes. This may take some time, so please wait patiently and do not interrupt the process. Again click on Next. After that, the Windows installation process will start. The process can take a few minutes depending on whether you are using an HDD or an SSD. So don't worry, just wait patiently and let the installation complete. Finally, you can see the installation is complete successfully. Now you can close this window. You now need to use this SSD in the target computer. If you are going to use it on the same PC where you prepared it, simply restart the system, enter the BIOS or boot menu by pressing the required key like F2, F12, delete or escape, and then set this drive as the first boot device. But if you are preparing this drive for another computer or a client's PC, safely power off the system, remove the SSD and install it into the target computer properly. After connecting it, turn on the computer and Windows will automatically detect the new hardware and continue the setup process just like a brand new system. After connecting the drive and starting the computer, Windows will automatically continue the setup process. On the screen, you will be asked to select your region. Then you need to select keyboard layout and the network connection. After that, you need to sign in with your Microsoft account or create a local account depending on your preference. You may also see some privacy and security settings. So simply choose the options as per your need and click next. Just follow the on-screen instructions step by step, and within a few minutes Windows will finish the setup and take you to the desktop. So guys, this is how you can easily install Windows without using any USB drive. If this video helped you guys, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.